Yuili Automation Equipment Company Limited is a factory that has been rooted in the equipment industry for more than 10 years. The compound machines produced by Yuili are from manual to automatic, from simple drilling and tapping to drilling, tapping and milling in all functions, from 2 spindles to multi-spindles, from hard rail to linear rail, etc. Each equipment upgrade is a leap for the factory. We are customer-centered, and we reform the equipment according to the customer's wishes. Yuili Manufacturing is a factory that can bring benefits to customers.